Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I want to show you this little item I have for sale on eBay. It is a Sleep Mate. It's a little sound machine as a sleep aid. Essentially sounds like a fan in your room. And it has a off, low, and high position. I want to make sure I did a video so any potential buyer could see and hear how it works. You control the volume by moving the top. You can see right here, if I can get in focus, that can move back and forth. So let's plug this thing in. And first on low. So then you'll control the volume by switching it back and forth. Some of that rumbles my table. So you can see the table causes it to make a little bit more noise than it should, but when we have it off, so there he is, the Sleep Mate.